Let me show you how you can enable and set up the mobile hotspot on Google Pixel 10. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, then go to network and internet, and you should be able to find hotspot and tethering. So we can go ahead and open this option, and we have our Wi-Fi hotspot, which can be easily toggled by just tapping on the switcher. You can also tap on the hotspot itself in order to find the name of our hotspot. We can find the password and change it as well. If you change it, just press OK, and then the hotspot will be refreshed. And some other options like turn off automatically, speed and compatibility, and instant hotspot over here. And that's pretty much it. When the hotspot is enabled, you can also get a QR code. So over here, after a few seconds, we can generate a QR code quite easily so that other devices can connect without entering the password. And besides that, I believe we can also turn on and off the hotspot from quick settings. Let's see if we actually have a button. In my case, yes, it was added here. We can also make it a little bit bigger if we want to. There we go. So we can easily turn on and off hotspot from quick settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.